Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule your Reels on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile and create a new Reel. You can start this process either from your Facebook home screen or directly from your profile page. When you're ready, tap to either select a video from your gallery or record a new one by hitting the camera icon. After choosing or recording your video, you'll be taken to an editing screen where you can enhance your reel with text, music, effects, and stickers. Once you're happy with your creation, tap Next at the bottom right of the screen. On the next screen, below the Reel's description box, look for Scheduling options and tap on it. A new screen will pop up. Choose Schedule for Later to set a future publishing time. You'll then see a calendar where you can pick the date you want your Reel to go live. After selecting the date, a new screen will appear where you can set the exact hour and minute for the publication. Once you've set your preferred schedule, tap Save at the top right of the screen. Add any additional details if necessary, and then tap the Schedule button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it! Your Reel will be automatically posted on your Facebook profile at the scheduled time. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below.